IELTS vocabulary. Understanding and using adherence. Mastering advanced vocabulary is crucial for achieving a high band score in IELTS. And today, we're focusing on a word that can significantly elevate your language proficiency. Adherence. Word type: adherence is a noun. Meaning, adherence refers to the act of sticking to or following a rule, belief, or set of guidelines. It implies a steady and unwavering commitment to a particular course of action or set of principles. In the context of IELTS, understanding and using this word correctly can demonstrate a sophisticated grasp of English, particularly when discussing topics related to law, medicine, or personal discipline. Word history. The word adherence comes from the Latin word adherere, which means to stick to. It entered the English language in the 15th century and has since been used to describe both physical and metaphorical acts of sticking or clinging to something. Antonyms. Some antonyms of adherence include non-compliance, disobedience, and deviation. These words represent the opposite of sticking to rules or guidelines. Synonyms. Synonyms for adherence include compliance, observance, fidelity, and allegiance. These words all convey a sense of following rules or principles closely. Examples used in sentences. Strict adherence to the experimental protocol ensured the validity of the research results. The success of the treatment largely depends on the patient's adherence to the prescribed medication regimen. The company's adherence to environmental regulations has improved its public image significantly. Common errors in use. One common mistake is confusing adherence with adhesion. While adherence refers to following rules or principles, adhesion typically describes the physical act of sticking or clinging. Another error is using adherence when compliance would be more appropriate in certain contexts, especially in medical or legal settings. Understanding the nuances of words like adherence can greatly enhance your IELTS performance. It allows you to express complex ideas with precision and demonstrates a high level of language proficiency. Remember to practice using this word in your speaking and writing tasks, always considering its correct context and collocations. By incorporating such advanced vocabulary into your language repertoire, you're well on your way to achieving that band score 8.0 or higher in your IELTS exam.